they keep it for 5 days. 5 days.
5 days. Tapos ito yung kinalabasan.
Tapos ito yung kinalabasan. So, So notice guys, this is a kitchen. Yan, dedicated po para sa mga orders that can be picked up or delivered. So wala po tayong dining table dito, but they allowed us to taste them. Ang dami nito guys. So we're gonna taste them like konti-konti lang. But again, it is a modern style, parang cloud-based kitchen in which you can order, you know, almost any Korean dishes na pwede nila dito sila. And then, the time na pwede mong pick upin or you want it delivered, pwede yan. Okay, another one with Ma'am Hi. Both hot. It's hot. So this is kimchi. Other one, Mandu.
Dalawa po yan. Ito po yung Bulgogi na po. Hindi po yung kain.
Kaya mas ano kayo? Mas bet ko yung original.
Yeah, Mandu. One's good. Okay, so on our table guys, ayun, ito yung mga samples, examples nung mga pwede nilang lutuin dito. Actually, these are just few of the so long, napakahabang listahan ng mga pwede po nilang iluto dito. So, they can serve it like this, mga parang per solo meal, or they can have it parang pang party tray, or even you know, for travel. So, depende sa purpose. But for now, ayan, ito po yung mga available dito. So, actually, not just side dishes, no? May mga main meals na, mga main dishes din. Ayun guys, so ito yung kitchen sa likod natin. Para taong parang cloud kitchen or yung modern style kitchen na in which, say for example, you order anything, basta available naman yung mga ingredients and then they're gonna cook it here. What's good about it, you can advance order it and then pagkatapos nun, you can either pick it up here or deliver po sa inyong lugar. According to our orientation, as low as 1,000 pesos, libre na po yung delivery fee natin doon. So, yeah. What are you preparing? Ano po yan ang tawag dyan?
Pork kimbap or kimbap.
Kimbap na pork.
This is our first time to taste yung fresh, literally fresh na crab.
Raw.
Raw crab na marinated lang. So hindi ko lang alam ano lasa nito.
Wala mo ng rice bro, wala mo ng rice. Yan.
In fairness, masarap siya. Yeah. O, titiran kita.
Yeah.
So,
With rice naman, with rice.
para siyang lasang dinuto sa toyo. Pero ito hindi siya dinuto. It's good.
So, the meat became super tender. Parang sobrang smooth, sobrang lambot ng ng meat. And at the same time, yung parang yung lasa ng marination, nag-sink in talaga siya. Wow! Yeah, parang pa naman. So, eto yun guys, yung kinain namin kanina. Look at it, it's still fresh. It's uncooked. So, parang in-repair lang nila guys is yung marination, yung soy sauce. And then, they keep it for 5 days. 5 days.
5 days. Tapos ito yung kinalabasan.
Tapos ito yung kinalabasan. So, this is it.
Another raw food. Korean raw food.
Yeah. Rice.
Yeah.
Shrimp. Raw shrimp. Again guys, this is uncooked. How long has it been? How long?
Ano marinated?
Marinate.
5 days.
Still 5 days. So parang mga ganun guys. 5 days. And then so raw shrimp plus gochujang.
Gochujang.
Gochujang. Look at this. Look at this. Wow! Actually, you wouldn't parang believe you're eating a raw shrimp. Parang ganun siya kasarap, ganun siya kalasa, ganun siya kalambot. Wow.
Para alam namin kung paano namin i-demo sa mga customer.
Another one.
Yeah.
So, ito yung mga hindi usual na kinakain natin. Pero even na may mga raw tayo na kinakain natin nila. Pero sa Korea, ganito yung mga dishes nila. Oh,
Yes.
nakakatakot lang silang kainin.
Pero masarap.
Dahil hindi tayo sanay. Pero masarap sila.
Yes.
Promise. First time talaga natin kakainin. Feeling ko babalikan natin. Kumbaga kung sa Japanese, ito yung mga sashimi. Diba? Yan.
Yung mga donut.
Yeah. But this one,
Good.
actually yung marination nila is super good.
Yes.
Yung marination nila is, I don't know how to describe it, pero kakaiba. Masarap yung mga marination. Ayan guys, ito yun. So, you have mga meat dishes, there's a meat, may mga vegetables, eggs, sama sa mga eggs yan, sweet balls, yan. Even look at this okra. Look at that. Ayan. So, once na na-receive nyo to guys, if you wanna reheat them, 30 seconds lang sa microwave oven. And then, mas masarap sila, mas mainit.
Pag narinig
Yes sir. So, there you go guys. We're gonna taste them. So, there you have it guys. If you are looking for this kind of establishment, no? So, sa mga naghanap po ng mga ready-to-eat meals,
Yes.
or even yung mga, for example, sa bahay na lang iniinit, and then ready to cook, this is the place to be.
or kung kayo naman yung nagmamadali at gusto nyo magpaluto, available na dito sa Mama's Food Delivery. Located lang dito sa may Philem Friendship Highway.
Yes.
So, ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, harap lang siya ng
Bulgogi.
And they're open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you have it guys. So if you like the food you saw in this video or even the concept and you want to know more about this guys, check out the fan page we're going to be including in the description below. Thank you so much for watching Buhay Pampanga.
Peace out.
Bye guys.